My dad turned on the oven.
Also, it's red pocket.
It looks like ratatouille.
Yeah, you're right.
You have flour on your forehead, Celine. Ew, what's on my hoodie? Ew. I was up till 5. I woke up at 8:30. I'm exhausted. So my hair is hella dirty. Like dirty. So I'm going to shower and then edit. I'm done with school, so yay! So excited. I can definitely feel the Christmas cheer. If you saw my hot cocoa bomb video, I am not happy about it. We have to run to the bank really quick. I look rough. Ew, what's on my hoodie? Ew, look at my hoodie.
I don't know what you do with your life, man.
Your teeth are so cute. Okay, I'm gonna make coffee. Yeah, but my mom ordered more. So they'll come in the mail. So we have this new caramel latte. I'm really excited. Ugh. Oh, that was cute. Hi. This looks so funny. So I'm just about to edit my hot cocoa bomb video. It failed. Not entirely, but like they weren't amazing, of course. So then I tried it with the right chocolate and it came out fine. So now I have to make more.
You tell me that it's red,
This happened this morning. I was asleep. Hello, I'm gonna nap because I'm very tired. I finished editing and I uploaded, but I'm tired. So I'm gonna take like a 20-minute nap. Go.
Okay, ready?
Ooh. Oh. It just pooted. Didn't even.
Oh, look.
Yay.
I don't have my glasses. You can't see without her glasses.
Oh, Puma's so fashion. Her outfit really matches with the
Lucky.
mask.
You've
What
been
was
in
playing
charge
with
of
this?
crossing people off.
Oh.
No, take your boy, because we need another item, because I don't like the one that was off. Oh, there you go. Oh, Puma can do it. I'll look at her with her stretch.
What was being had back then? We're in this one.
I know, I like the chocolate.
I know.
Look at this. These are nice.
First record.
Freaks don't like you.
I just made dip. I was eating these. Puma showed you her slippers, and I didn't press record.
Oh, wait.
Oh, you got the slippers?
Wow.
Oh, wait.
Well, I made dip.
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Yes.
Daddy,
Aww.
Sonia put it right here, which I have like no space. And Sonia also just put it on my hand.
Why?
Goodbye.
All mushrooms?
I'm gonna be rapping so much. Not even a little bit.
Whoa. We're done. Oh no, I won't be able to fit my.
You have flour on your forehead, Celine.
Hi.
Oh, it's a smiley face. It's white chocolate. It's white chocolate. It comes off. I promise. It's literally chocolate. Yeah, I didn't.
I thought it was melted
No.
plastic. I'm like,
I would have thrown it away. I would have let you see it.
I don't care, but oh my god. You
No.
probably left hairs in there. Like, look.
Yeah, I know.
Like,
My dad turned on the oven.
Also, it's red pocket.
It's not. Ooh, coffee.
oh.
First you gotta do that, right? And then you go like... I ripped it.
You can use both hands. Look, I got it. It's fine. We'll cover it.
We'll cover it.
Making some quick waffles.
Showering because I'm freezing. Like, I'm not even gonna wash my hair. I'm just freezing.
Out of the shower. I didn't wash my hair. I just wanted to be warm. I feel so much better now. But the Among Us new map just came out, like the glitch. And so these are gonna play on it right now, and then while the Switch is charging, I'm gonna play on it, and then I'll play with the kids.
There's also new hats.
And there's new Christmas hats on it.
Oh, there's more. I don't know how to use the controls for this. Basically, I'm just exploring this thing. Celine, how do I climb?
Put use, which is A.
Oh.
It says right there.
Oh.
The animation's cool, huh?
Uh-huh.
Lily's playing with the line.
This is a big map to actually play a game on.
Oh my god, yes. It's such a big map.
Oh, wow. Hello. Who starts it? Oh, there's a kitchen.
I wish I could get out.
This is my place.
Fancy.
It looks like Ratatouille.
Yeah, you're right. And you're Gordon Ramsay. Sorry, you want me to leave back? Gordon Ramsay pack. And yeah, I love the kitchen. Oh, the
guns.
place. Wait, Pack, look. Come look at the dishes and the trash cans. Cute. The heck?
What was that?
Bean. Oh, she sounds weird. I think because I have Zoe on my hand. Oh, go to the right side though. Because we had to go like on this thing that will bring you like this. Yeah. I'm gonna break my such a weirdo. She's like, give me my payment. You want this? How do you do this task?
How do you do this task?
I don't know how to plunge a toilet.
Oh.
It's a super cool map, and I can't wait to actually like play it. I don't know if it's like ow. I don't really understand what it means. But it was really cool, and it would be really hard to find somebody to kill, and most likely the imposter will not kill anybody unless you remember the map like the other ones. So I'm about to wrap more presents. I left the camera out there. My room's disgusting, and I have so many presents to wrap. So I'm gonna wrap my sister's first, like all of theirs, like the rest of theirs, and then wrap everybody else's. I don't know. Let's cut to the wrapping. Okay, I'm going to wrap all these presents and then I'll just put them in a pile. So tomorrow I'm gonna clean my room, probably in the morning. And I'll actually record me cleaning it because it's pretty intense. I'm making some of these because they sound good. I also want to point out that these are vegetarian. They're made out of chickpeas and have buffalo flavoring. Hello, it's like hours later. It's like 12:30-ish. I am exhausted. Today's vlog was kind of just really chill. I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. If you made it to the end of the video, let me know. Favorite scary movie? I don't know what mine is, because I like Halloween, H2O, but I also like Paranormal Activity and like Insidious and Annabelle and all those. I can't pick one. You know, if you're into that. If you're not into that, you don't have to answer, obviously, because you don't watch them. But if you do watch them, let me know. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.